Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Powerhouse. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and customize a beautiful donut chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Go to the Insert tab at the top menu. Under the Charts section, click the drop-down for Pie Chart and select Custom Donut Chart from the options. Once your chart appears, let's clean it up. Click on the chart title and press Delete to remove it. Next, click on the legend below the chart and delete that too. Right-click on the chart area, then choose Format Chart Area. From there, select No Border to make the chart look clean and professional. To give your chart a unique style, click on the Donut section to select it. Then, adjust the donut hole size to 25% for a thicker ring. Finally, let's bring the chart to life by customizing the colors. Click on each segment of the chart, and then choose the colors that best fit your theme or project. And that's it, you've created a fully customized donut chart in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Excel Powerhouse for more Excel tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.